Hey, wake up, it's 6 a.m., time to be productive!
Relax, Metal Screamer. He slept at 2 after cat videos.
Dreams don't build success! Neither does yelling every morning. If he doesn't wake up, he'll be late! Watch this. Snooze.
He silenced me? Welcome to Snooze Kingdom. 10 more minutes.
Move, Blanket! Morning has arrived!
Morning can wait.
He'll miss his responsibilities!
He'll miss his sleep first.